I have here a really pretty mirror. It's really pretty gold, really pretty shape to it, really fun design on the frame. It's really functional, has a nice stand. You can also hang it on the wall, and you can see yourself in the mirror and do your hair and makeup if you would like to do it that way. This makeup mirror is really nice. It's super pretty. It's really fun that you can use it with your makeup in your living room or your bedroom or anywhere in your house. And it's even pretty. You could just even use it as a decorative mirror in your house if you would like to do that. So it's going to be great for anyone that wants a really pretty mirror for their house or to use for